Hello, good evening, Samir. How are you?
I am good, Alhamdulillah, and you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. So, what I can call you? Should I call you Samir or Samir? Because I can hear your voice clearly. Okay.
You call me Shamir, it's
Mm,
okay,
Shami.
or Sham. You Sam call me, I think,
Oh
in hello tag.
yeah. Okay, Shami. So, where are you now? On your house or somewhere?
I'm in somewhere.
Oh, okay. So, first of all, I want to say thank you for joining me, and this is your first time to learn Indonesian, right?
Yes, first time.
Okay. Before that, do you can see my screen, my presentation?
Yes,
Okay. So I hope you will understand what our lesson in this short time because we have limited time. Okay. Ready for our lesson?
yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So our topic now is salam. Salam in
Salam.
English, yeah. Salam in English is greeting.
Yes, greeting, I know.
Yeah. Can you repeat
Salam.
after me? Salam.
Salam.
Okay. So salam is
Salam.
we are asking how are you? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and something like that. And in Indonesian,
Yes,
we
that's called salam.
yeah, that's right. Like
Yes.
assalamualaikum.
Okay.
And in Indonesian, maybe we have maybe some different cultures, like Indonesian that famous with politeness, right? Like
Yes, politeness, I know.
we have some rules to greeting people and yeah, something like that. Okay.
Yes, very friendly country, I know.
Yeah, that's right.
Your country is very friendly.
Okay, so before I explain more about Salam, let me to tell you our learning objectives or in Indonesian tujuan pembelajaran. Tujuan
Tujuan,
pembelajaran, ya, tujuan pembelajaran in
tujuan
English.
Palamanjara.
Tujuan pembelajaran in English is learning objectives.
Oh, learning objective, which mean.
Yeah. So why you should learn this topic? What are you expected after study this topic? So this is our learning objectives or in Indonesian tujuan pembelajaran. Can you repeat after me? Tujuan
Okay. Tujuan,
pembelajaran.
tujuan, Pelaman-
Pem
Pelamanjaran. Pam, pam, pambal,
pembelajaran.
pambalajaran,
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
pambalajaran.
Yeah, that's good. So for the first one, yang pertama in English is for the first one. Okay, so in Indonesia we say
Okay.
pertama. Pertama,
Pertama,
ya, pertama
first one.
mengenali ungkapan sederhana untuk menyapa dan menanyakan kabar. Or in English, recognize simple expression to greet and ask how are you. Okay,
How
so
are you?
yeah, mengenali is
Manganali,
recognize, and that ungkapan sederhana is simple expression. Simple expression, we
okay.
say, uh, uh, simple expression, we say ungkapan sederhana. Yeah, to greet and ask how are you.
Okay.
And the second one, yang kedua, yang
That's a formal way.
what?
That's a formal way to greet.
Yeah. Yang second
Okay.
one in English, in Indonesian is yang kedua. Second one, yang kedua. Merespons
Okay.
dengan ungkapan yang sederhana jika orang menyapa dan menanyakan kabar. Or
Mana kabar?
in English, respond with simple expression when people say hello and ask how are you.
Okay.
Okay, so the keyword is respond with simple expression. Okay, next.
I hear about apa kabar.
Ya, apa kabar?
Apa kabar is
Ya.
yes.
Okay, for the third one atau yang ketiga is the third one. Yang ketiga adalah menemukan informasi dari isi pesan singkat. Or in English, found the information from a short text. So the keyword is found information. Maybe you want to read the simple sentence. Menemukan
Menemukan
informasi
informasi
dari
dari
isi
isi
pesan singkat.
pesan singkat.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, for the
Thank
last
you.
one, yang terakhir is the last one is menulis teks lisan sederhana melalui pesan singkat untuk pemenuhan kebutuhan konkret. Or in English, writing oral simple text through short text to fulfill the concrete needs. So the keyword is you will writing simple sentence in short text. So you
Writing in simple text.
yeah,
Yes, I know.
yeah. Okay, so they are the learning objectives or tujuan pembelajaran. Okay, next we will
Next,
learn basic greeting and expression. So this is the like phrase or expression. Basic greetings and expression. In Indonesian, we say ungkapan salam dan sapaan dasar. You remember, salam is greeting. Salam is greeting, but salam dan sapaan is still have the same meaning in English. So you can say,
salam and sapan.
yeah, that's good.
Same meaning.
That's good. Okay, so they are the expressions of greetings in time. In Indonesian, ungkapan salam sesuai waktu. So we say this expression depend on the context or depend on the time when we say them. Like selamat pagi. I think you can guess the meaning from the picture. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. And then selamat siang.
Selamat siang. Good afternoon.
Yeah, that's good. And then selamat sore.
Selamat sore mean
Good evening.
good evening. Yes.
Yeah.
And selamat malam. Good night.
Yeah, that's good. Did you have learned about this before?
No,
No, but you
I guess in these pictures.
right. Okay, so
I guess with your pictures.
yeah. Okay, so here are the expressions of greeting in times like selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, dan selamat malam. Okay,
Yes.
Next is basic greetings and expressions.
Next.
Still, but this is expressions of greeting. Masih ungkapan salam dan sapaan, still the basic, but like in English,
Ungkapan sapaan.
yeah, but in English, we say like, hello, hi, how are you?
Short expression.
Yeah, so this is the expression in Indonesian.
This is short expression.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like in English, we spell hello, something like that. But in Indonesian, we spell halo, not hello, but halo.
Hello.
Yeah, that's good. And then hi. And
Okay.
then
Hi. Hello.
apa kabar? How are you? Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Yeah,
How are you? Yes,
yeah.
I know.
How are you have two meanings. Apa kabar? Apa kabar dan bagaimana kabar Anda? Bagaimana Anda is long version. It still have the same meaning like apa kabar.
Yes,
So, do you remember? Hello, hello,
yes, I remember.
hello, hi, apa kabar? How are you? How are you? What in Indonesian?
Apa kabar? How are you? Yes, I understand.
And the second one, apa kabar?
Apa kabar? How are you? It's mean.
Yeah. For this, can you read? Bagaimana kabar Anda?
Bagaimana kabar Anda?
Yeah, that's good. But for hello and hi, this is for informal situation or when you greet,
Informal, like friends.
yeah, like friends or
Yes,
people that younger than you. You can say
yes,
hello dan
younger
hi.
people.
Yeah. Apa
Yes,
kabar? Apa kabar for apa kabar dan bagaimana kabar Anda? Itu untuk formal situation. For formal,
that's both are formal.
yeah, like for example, with your teacher, your family, yeah, something like that.
I te I greet my teacher as Bagaimana kabar Anda?
Yeah, yeah, you can say that.
Okay,
Bagaimana kabar Anda to your teacher? Yeah, that's good.
okay.
Yeah,
And friends, apa kabar?
yeah, apa kabar?
Okay, okay.
Okay, next, this is the response. Response of greeting.
Response,
Yeah,
okay.
this is the response. Or in Indonesian, we say respon sapaan. Can you repeat after me?
Okay.
Respon
Response,
sapaan.
sapaan.
Yeah. When people greeting you, how are you? You can say, kabar saya baik, terima kasih. Can you?
Kabar saya baik, terima kasih.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, maybe we can
Okay.
role play. Halo, halo Sam, apa kabar?
Kabar saya baik, terima kasih.
Yeah, that's good. You're really good. And then when people say terima kasih or thank you in Indonesian is terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Yeah,
Yes,
we can answer sama-sama.
sama-sama. Someone call me thank you,
Yeah,
and
sama-sama
I
is
give answer sama-sama.
saying like
It's okay.
you're welcome.
It's my pleasure.
You're welcome.
You are welcome. Yes,
You're welcome in Indonesian is sama-sama.
sama-sama. Okay.
And then this is for the third one. Senang bertemu dengan Anda juga. Itu that's when people say like nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Okay.
Dan is senang bertemu dengan Anda juga.
Baju.
Can you repeat after me?
Senang bertemu.
Dengan
Senang bertemu.
senang bertemu dengan Anda juga.
Senang bertemu dengan
Dengan
Anda juga.
yeah, that's good. Okay. I greeting you. Nice to meet you, Sham. No.
Senang
Senang
bertemu.
berjumpa dengan Anda, Sam.
Senang bertemu dengan Anda juga.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, for the last one, dengan senang hati. Dengan senang hati, in English is my pleasure.
Okay.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Dengan senang hati.
Yeah, dengan senang hati. Okay, so there are the response of greeting or response sapaan. Okay, next, this is perkenalan diri dalam salam or self-introduction in greetings.
Yes.
Yeah. You can use simple sentences to introduce yourself. For example, perkenalkan,
2 minutes.
yeah, yeah.
Start.
Okay, then start. Okay, so this is self-introduction in greetings or perkenalan diri dalam salam. You can use simple sentences to introduce yourself. For example, like in English, maybe, hello, my name is Shem. I am
Yes.
21 years old and I'm from India and I live
Yes.
in where you live it. And then I am a student. I am a student in University of Oxford, for example, and something like that. So in
Yes.
Indonesian, we say for name, perkenalkan like hello, let me to introduce myself. Okay, that's how.
Perkenalkan.
Ya,
Oke.
perkenalkan.
Perkenalkan.
Nama saya, my name is, nama saya,
Nama saya Samir.
ya, nama saya Syam. And then, usia saya, that's like, I am 21 years old, for example. Usia saya,
Usia saya
21,
21.
21,
Ua
21, is 21.
21.
Ya,
Oke.
ya. And then, I am come from, saya berasal dari,
Saya berasal dari
ya, where I come from. Saya berasal dari India.
saya berasal dari
India.
saya
And then
berasal
mention
dari
your country.
yes, India.
Yeah. And then saya tinggal di, this is like your address. Saya
Address.
tinggal like or name of street, for example. And then your
Saya tinggal di Delhi.
yeah,
That's example.
saya tinggal di Delhi. And then
Yes.
for the last one, your job. For example, I am a student or saya
Oke.
mahasiswa di
Saya mahasiswa.
yeah. And then mention your university. Do you
Oke.
do you student or working already?
No, I am a student and also working.
Oh, okay. So you can mention saya mahasiswa di
Saya mahasiswa
engineering.
Delhi
Kalau
University.
di bahasa Indonesia itu mesin. Engineering is mesin.
Mesin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then next. Oh my God.
It means bekerja,
10 minutes left. Okay.
bekerja di.
Yeah, bekerja if you already you working already.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Maybe you wanna say from the first one? From your name?
First one is
Yeah, something like
nama saya Samir.
okay. Maybe you can mention from perkenalkan.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Samir.
Next, usia saya
Usia saya, usia saya 21 tahun.
21 tahun.
21, it means 21.
Yeah. And then
21
saya
tahun.
berasal dari your country. Saya berasal dari
Oke. Saya berasal dari India.
ya.
Saya
Saya
tinggal di Delhi.
ya. Dan saya mahasiswa.
Saya mahasiswa bisnis.
Okay, that's good. Okay, read the next. Okay, this is closing greeting. Closing greeting.
Closing greeting, okay.
For example, senang
Okay.
bertemu dengan Anda. Senang bertemu dengan Anda is nice to meet you. Like, for example, this is the last one for your introduction yourself is saya mahasiswa di
Saya mas.
sini. And then to closing your greeting, you can say terima kasih or
Terima
senang bertemu
kasih.
dengan Anda or sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa in English.
Sampai jumpa.
Goodbye.
Say again.
Yeah. Goodbye in
Sampai
Indonesia
jumpa
means goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yeah,
Okay.
goodbye. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Do you remember what that means?
Yes, I remember.
Nice.
It means nice to meet you.
Yeah, senang bertemu dengan Anda.
Yes.
Okay, so can you guess what are they doing? It is they have conversation,
Yes.
greeting.
The greeting, short greeting.
Yeah,
Only hi, like friends.
yeah. In Indonesian, we can say greeting.
It's hello. Hello.
Yeah, but is exactly is sapaan atau salam.
Yeah. Sapaan.
Ya, sapaan. Okay, next. This is the video. Maybe you can watch it this before. Oh, wow, this is so cool.
Kabar saya baik. Terima kasih. Kamu?
Can you see the voice?
Yes, I see. I hear voice.
Halo. Halo. Apa kabar? Kabar saya baik. Terima kasih. Kamu bagaimana? Saya juga baik. Terima kasih. Namaku Ani. Siapa namamu? Namaku Dewi. Senang bertemu denganmu, Ani. Senang bertemu denganmu juga, Budi. Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa.
Okay, so there are the conversation between Dewi and Ani. So they are like have conversation like greeting. Jadi mereka menyapa satu sama lain. And Dewi asking apa kabar to Ani, and Ani asking apa kabar to Dewi. So from the video before, there are the expression that to asking people. Jadi ada dialog untuk menyapa orang, like hello, apa kabar, and the response, kabar saya baik, terima kasih. Like I said before, when in formal situation, we use selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, atau selamat malam, depend on the context. Okay. So next,
I know one more response. Like apa kabar and aku baik-baik saja.
Oke, aku baik-baik saja is the response.
Yes.
Yeah, aku baik-baik saja is the response. So when people asking you apa kabar, so your response you can say aku baik-baik saja.
Yes, aku baik-baik saja.
Yeah.
It's formal or informal? Aku
Uh,
baik-baik saja.
Formal. Oh, informal, sorry.
Formal,
Informal.
informal.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay. Good. Okay, so we will
Yes, start.
practice dialogue. In Indonesian, dialogue have the same meaning, dialogue, but we can spell that dialogue. Okay, so let's go with practice. You
Yes,
you was the first one. Okay, let's go. Can you read it? Or should I?
yes, I am ready.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready because she is very.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
Okay, so you first.
Hello, Nas.
Halo, Sam. Apa kabar?
Kabar saya baik, terima kasih. Maaf saya terlambat datang hari ini.
Tidak apa-apa, Sam. Terima kasih sudah datang.
Terima kasih, Nas. Bagaimana kabarmu?
Saya juga baik.
Senang bertemu
Dengan
denganmu.
senang bertemu denganmu juga.
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa. Okay, so that's great. Okay,
Thank you.
so in the dialogue, there are the question apa kabar and the response baik and the functions of asking apa kabar to asking the situation of the people that are
Okay.
asked. Ya, kayak apa kabar? Responnya baik.
Apa kabar? Yes.
Ya, untuk menanyakan keadaan. Terus kamu sedang apa? In English is what are you doing?
Kamu sedang apa?
Yeah, in English, what are you doing right now? Kamu sedang apa?
Oke.
Okay.
Kamu sedang apa?
Yeah, in English is what are you doing? And the response is, and if you are eating, you can
Aku
say,
sedang makan.
yeah, aku sedang makan. I am eating.
It's when I'm eating. Yes.
Yeah. And for example, you read, aku sedang membaca. Something like that.
Membaca.
Yeah. And next, for another question, makan apa? Makan apa in English is what are you eating?
What for? Yes.
Yeah, and the answer, what are you eating? For example, cilok. Here is cilok is the traditional food in Indonesia. Okay, aku makan
Okay, traditional
cilok.
food.
Yeah, aku makan and then mention what's our food you're eating.
Hello.
Yeah.
Food name.
Okay. Okay, so next we will practice again. Maybe you can read this short text.
Hello, Devi.
Hi, Jonathan.
Hai, Jonathan. Apa kabar? Baik. Kamu sedang apa? Aku sedang makan. Makan apa? Aku makan soto. Soto is soup, I think. Soto.
Yeah, soto is traditional food. And then, kalau kamu,
Kalau kamu,
aku
aku menonton television.
menonton televisi.
Televisi.
Ya, aku menonton televisi
I
in
am watching
English.
television.
Yeah, that's right. So maybe you can answer benar, benar if true, and answer salah if false. Okay, for the first one,
Benar.
Jonathan menyapa Devi. Jonathan greeting Devi. Is it true or false?
False.
False. Yeah, that's good. That Devi, right? Devi greeting Jonathan. Okay. And then, you can say false in Indonesian is salah.
Saya.
Salah.
Saya.
Use L. Salah.
Saya. Salah.
Yeah, salah. Okay.
Salah.
For the next question, Devi menanyakan kabar Jonathan. In English, Devi asking how are you to Jonathan. Is it benar atau salah?
False. Salah.
No, I think the answer is benar. True, because here Devi.
True. Sorry.
Yeah, Devi
Yes.
asking how are you. Menanyakan apa kabar.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And then
Yes.
nomor 3, kabar Devi baik. Kabar Devi baik. Benar atau salah? True or false?
Baik. True.
Yeah, true, right? But Devi not mention baik atau tidak, right? Okay.
Yes.
Next, Devi sedang tidur. Devi is sleeping. True or false? Benar atau salah?
False.
Yeah,
False.
false. But what Devi doing?
Soto.
No, this is
What? Sorry.
menonton televisi, watching a movie.
Our TV. She watching TV television.
Yeah, that's right. For the last one, Jonathan
He is
makan
not
soto.
sleeping.
Benar atau salah? True or false?
Jonathan makan soto.
Yeah.
True.
True. Yeah. Okay, good job, Swan. Okay, this is for the last activity. Maybe this writing, like I said before, but because we have limited time and will take a long time to write it. Maybe you can write it when we have free time sometimes, maybe, or and you
Okay.
to check your writing with me or something like that. Okay. Okay, so here ungkapan menyapa, what's the expression of greeting, and then response, how to respond, and then
Response.
expression of asking how are you, and how again to
Yes.
respond.
Response.
Yeah, and then asking
And
use
asking interrogative words.
asking use interrogative word like apa kabar, something like that. And then
Yes.
how to respond.
And
Okay,
response.
yeah, I
Okay.
will send this presentation in our chat. And terima kasih. Okay, so this is end of our lesson. So I want to say thank you so much for joining my short class. And I'm sorry I'm bothering your time. Thank you
Oh, it's okay. Sama-sama.
Thank you so much. See you next time. Thank you, Shem.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
It's my pleasure.
Okay.